Okay, they cannot find the property. So I should be giving the name here actually.
Property, because it is completely outside, it doesn't understand that.
You don't understand actually.
Property it will not understand, but person it should understand.
Why it cannot be used as an index prop dot dollar person.
So basically, I think outside you cannot do that concept.
I think to access these variables and dot push. Let me try some option here. Output tuple. So car dot type is equal to 4. We are assigning it. Accessing के लिए it's all about assigning only.
No, but that time it is a parameter. It is
Huh.
not a key value pair like this.
Okay, okay. If I want to refer name, Bhaiya, what should I do here? If I want to refer, if I want to use this name.
No,
So
see, you cannot keep that outside. The problem is not that format. Format is console.log. You are keeping outside that method or class.
okay, okay, okay.
That it is complaining for that.
It is complaining agree because we got it as a key value here. That's why they are accessing like this. So in case if I want to use the name here directly, can I do this here?
Yes, yes, same thing only it is doing. See, inside the method that dollar which you copied from, right?
Huh.
So that is a simple console.log only. But what problem here is you are putting that console log outside the method.
No such file or directory. Okay. I think it won't work
ये बाहर
actually.
वो define नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि all code should be enclosed.
All code should be enclosed. Okay.
So you are making the method called print person property, that is outside, that is fine, but it's a method call. But when you say console.log, you do one thing. Say
Huh.
console.log, we can just test. Only print a string.
That one will work. That one will work,
Just
Bhaiya.
print a string.
That one will work. See, it is working.
Now that person object.
If I do alone person object like this, I think the person object should print here.
No, you say person of name. Person
Okay.
inside bracket in quotation mark say name. Name within quotation mark.
Oh, here I have to put quotation mark. Huh?
Double quote. I think so. Let's see. Yes, double quote. That is a string.
Here like this. Oh.
Now it is done.
Okay. Because if I want to access key as a property, I can use of okay. Both are
Because
same
if
only.
property, previously what you were doing is you were writing as property, but property was not defined.
Correct, correct, correct.
So now you are just hard coding name, the exact key, so it is coming. Property is a variable in the function.
Okay, only this one and so TypeScript is all about how to declare. How do I declare the things? Mostly it is about like my simple type. Sorry, this one. This is how I will define it, and I can use it directly. No, apart from that, any other things, Bhaiya, should I
No,
need to look?
type issue, that's only that it is a script same JavaScript, but it is typed with some
Okay.
new formats or structures which it
So
has.
we are defining, so in JavaScript and all, if I have error also, it won't care. But here it will verify all those things.
Correct.
Okay, okay. I
See,
think,
when you that's why, see, within two class it is very much clear, but until you go through it, you will
uh,
think what all there, I don't know, so complex, this and that, right? But
uh,
now you are clear what is there in TypeScript, what it is, what all things are possible, what is not possible. There is no dark area now.
uh,
Clear.
correct, clear, bhai, clear.
So that is why, I mean, it is though simple, but until you have show the courage to go inside and have a look
Yes.
for one or two
Until and unless if we
you
touch
feel
the hands, we will get more confidence.
correct. It is all about that. Okay. So I think that's fine. So now I wanted actually you to write the test. You come now the TypeScript exercises.
Uh,
So there is a quick quiz,
okay.
TypeScript quiz.
Type, you can edit TypeScript code. Okay. You can try
One of
it
the editor
yourself.
you can use.
This will work. Publish your code.
So anytime you want to verify your code, you can use this TypeScript editor. But anyway, you are using Visual, so
Visual Studio.
Visual Studio itself.
So quiz,
So
we
see
can
the
go to quiz
exercises. What
studio.
kind of exercises are given?
Okay, start TypeScript
No, no,
exercises.
exercises. Go back.
Oh, okay.
Before that, exercise. Go back. Back button.
Exercises. Okay.
What kind of exercises are there?
We have gathered a variety of types for each answer. Try to solve exercise by filling the missing. But if you are stuck, hit show answer. Count your score. You will get 1 point to be displayed. Okay.
So maybe a quick exercise. If you do, that will be good.
Sure, Bhaiya, sure. So TypeScript allows developer to add dash to the JavaScript to add
Full definition basically.
mm, mm, types to the JavaScript. Okay,
So
okay.
this is all we are talking about, right? So it is
Right.
typing. It is allowing
Will
to
allow
add
the
types to
it
the
will allow the type
JavaScript.
to the
Nothing
JavaScript.
much
Oh,
beyond it.
super, super. So JavaScript is a non-TypeScript language. Strict type, non-strict type language, I think. It is not strictly typed, no?
Is there?
Loosely typed.
Loosely.
Okay. Term I am
That's
missing.
fine. Those terminology is different, but yeah, you understand what it is. Yeah, loosely typed.
TypeScript gets started. The TypeScript compiler can be configured with
The
which file?
TypeScript compiler can be configured with the with which
TypeScript configured. So I remember that we are downloading some file. Sorry, we are downloading the library, but JSON file unable to call uh,
config.
tsconfig.json.
So this is a standard file name. Okay, so
Okay.
when you configure any application, okay,
Huh.
and it automatically tries to find this tsconfig.json.
Okay. This TS means TypeScript
The
config.
standard format, like we have the let's say build.xml
Ah,
or
right, 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 right.
ts.package.json.
Huh.
Those are standard files like that. For
Yeah, TS
TypeScript, this is
config.
standard file.
TypeScript simple type. There are two main types, two main ways of TypeScript assigns a type. That is initially declaration. Next one is type. Say like declaration means this is the one, right? Let constant or then we'll put the type. Okay, okay,
It's
okay.
basically
Explicit.
main ways.
Okay, here simple types we have this explicit and implicit, I think. Somewhere I have seen here object types. 1 minute, by I will check that somewhere I missed it actually.
Yeah, this one, here only, here only. Go up.
Okay. Implicit assignment forces TypeScript to infer the value. Okay, infer you said to remember this one. segment is shorter, faster to type and often used for development. Error in types.
So explicit means basically you are directly defining what the type is.
Huh.
Implicit assignments are shorter, faster in type, often used for developing testing. So that is involving your infer. Okay.
Huh.
So in that
Okay.
you are defining something as a generic, but during runtime it is automatically converting what it should be.
Yeah, it's like
We have
annotation
given
kind of.
a if it sees it is a string value, then it
Huh.
will convert it as a string data type.
String data type. Okay. Okay.
So it will. So that is implicit. So explicit means externally you can see what the data type is,
Huh.
but
Implicit.
implicit means you cannot see it because internally during runtime only it will convert to the
Right.
required data type.
Right. Right. Clear. So create first name variable. Let uh, this is string here. First name. Okay.
Yeah,
First
because
name.
hmm,
First name. Okay. This is explicit. Implicit.
implicit because automatically it convert. Value is string, so it convert basically.
So okay. Here it is like this is clear. This is the one we use in TypeScript.
Here you have to explicitly explicit. You remember the term that out from outside you should be able to see.
Huh.
Whenever you see the code, you can immediately understand what type it is.
So
But
we are using explicit no here
it is
for type.
explicit because explicitly I am typing it is a string.
All TypeScript is mostly defined with explicit only.
Means both are available, but
Ah,
it depends on your coding practice
ah,
to judge because it is telling that if you use implicit, then it is faster.
faster. Okay.
Mm. And in many cases, you do not know, like what could be the data type. So in those cases, you need to make it implicit so that automatically, let's say what happens is you input data from external sources in
Ah,
a TXT format or CSV format. So there will be
ah,
so many parameters. So
ah.
you may not know which parameter will be coming in what format. Sometimes it is a number, but they will send you by giving quotation mark, right?
Okay, then it will be string.
Then it will be a string. But
Huh.
if it does not come with a quotation, then it will be a number.
Correct. So the type,
So
that exact
automatically it
type,
will identify
it will identify. Like same like our this conversion only.
how we do typecasting in Java.
Can I jump to this one? Special types. Let create an empty variable, my variable, and disable type checking. So disable type checking means uh, okay. This is of type. Okay,
So we
any
have
is there, none is
any
there, and
unknown,
correct.
any and unknown, right?
Ah,
It will-
you want to specify it as it to be an unknown type. So we have to type unknown only here. There is nothing. So prevent the array from being changed. So I
Constant
need
final.
sorry.
No.
This should
You
be
need to tell what is the term.
being changed. Read only. Okay, we have read only here. The problem is with revision. Order of value types does not matter for tuples. Order matters for tuples, no. False, right?
There are two types. One is
Uh,
tuples, one more is that. So in one it is
Tuples, what happens? It will because we can define different types of data types, no.
you
So
can define the
you may be
different types, but
asking
that order does not matter.
here. It matters, no.
So see, go to that.
Ah,
In the order of value type does not matter for tuples.
it's wrong, no?
Ah, no. Go
Because
back. Now go to the tuples.
ah, so this order they may be speaking, I think.
Search order in this page. Okay.
You can see
So
we
as you
have
see, we
boolean.
have a number, boolean, and string. But what happens if we try to set them in wrong order? Okay. So
So number
that
boolean string
number, boolean, and
instead of
you have
if
set
we
in the
pass
wrong order.
in. Hmm,
So it will initially incorrectly, which throws an error.
correct, correct. Define our tuple as a string and boolean in that order. Then string and this is fine. This is straightforward
And
only.
see the data types are in small letter, not
Ah,
like Java fast,
correct, correct. I am
not
making
camel-based.
correct. So add correct types of objects. Okay, type is a string here. Model is also a string here. This is the number here. Okay, this is not a problem. Type string. Specify the second property called model. Type string. File model should be optional. Specify the second property called model. It should be optional. It should be optional. That means it should be any. Yeah? Called model. Okay. Specify the second property. We are specifying the second property called model. It should be optional because this is the optional. It seems.
That question mark means optional.
Okay. Okay.
Because the property name is model that he is telling.
Ah.
Okay. But he's saying if the property name, if you want to make it optional, then what you need to do? So we need to give a question mark.
Hmm. Okay. Create an enum called my enum with two constants. This is straightforward only. Create an enum, my first constant, my second constant with string as first and second. Should I mention? Okay, we don't need to do that.
Having just constant along with some assigned values.
Ah, so create a type alias car type. Create a type. So I can declare car type. It is called type. Create a type alias a string called
Create a
car.
type alias for a string called car type. So car type you have given. Now it's saying the alias, it should be alias type of string.
Is it like this? No. Okay, they are directly doing that.
So you remember what is the alias type?
Alias type.
It is like you are defining one type of data type.
It's a type of data type or
You are
constant.
defining your own data type.
So this is the main, I think, aliases. In because we may get more while defining our own classes.
What happens is especially this kind of sometimes what happens, there would be very big applications and programs, but afterward there is a need for data maintenance. For example, that model and year and all, every year it will change. So
Ah,
they will make it customized so that the once the product is developed, application developed, afterwards anybody in that non-coder also can understand the program, and then he can just type the value and it will be done.
right, right.
So like content management system we have now. So
Ah,
later on you can just update the contents.
right, right, right. This is the main one, I think. So create an interface
Interface
called
called
my
my interface with the
interface with
property my
property
prop
of
as
my
a
prop
string.
as a string with my property as a so this
No,
my
it will
prop
be same like how you define a class. So interface, class name, interface name, then your
interface,
property name and type. Yeah,
my interface my prop is
okay.
equal to mm,
Yes.
so same thing. I will create an
This
interface
last exercise
from
property this
my last exercise. So should I extend this?
extends the previous exercise. What was the interface name? No, no. What was the interface name? See,
My interface. Add property.
property name and then number. See, these are very smallest one, but and silly. But until you do it at least once, you will, eventually
Confidence.
build the confidence.
Function my variable. This is like equal here. My variable string equal to function can be either string or number. Either string or number. Okay, so I cannot do like this. I can go with any. My variable any is equal to number. Oh no, string or number. Okay.
So that middle portion is saying or.
Or correct. So almost 70% are wrongs only.
After this one, a small
Haven't
test
prepared
is
well.
there. You try that.
Haven't prepared well. So this is nothing but function only. Function my function. So here my function is having learning is fun is fine. This is nothing but console.log return. Okay, that returns learning is a fun with return type. Okay. Create a function does not return any value. This is also fine. It does not return any value, but this
Sure.
function
Void, na? Void.
void will create a function that are both strings. Create a function with two parameters, my variable 1 and my variable 2. Parameter. So
No.
property.
Yeah, first property colon data type, then property colon data type.
Property colon okay.
MyVar colon then data type.
Fine. That order both strings.
We're saying var to be optional.
Should that are both strings where to should be optional.
Both
Optional.
are a string, but MyVar2 is optional.
Optional means okay because last time also we have seen optional is an object.
So optional means by default, if it is not mentioned, it is a string.
Ah,
Or else it can assume other type.
right. Interesting. Set variable unknown hello world console.log. Uh, Unknown is my variable dot length. My variable as string dot length. Oh, we should mention like this. Okay, as string because it is
So he's
unknown.
saying cast the unknown
As
variable myvar
right.
as a string and using the uh, as keyword. So he's telling that as keyword, use
As
as
keyword,
keyword.
yes, yes, because it is we have mentioned unknown.
Uh,
It's more about like if I do one class, it will be more easier, I think. Same thing, no? As string.
Read it properly. So cast the unknown variable myvar as a string using the less than greater than operator.
Using less than greater than operator.
Hmm.
So I should be using something.
Ah,
Okay, it's in
in the front.
inverse actually.
So in the front, like Java only, like
Uh-huh. Class my person name of string, comma string, person. Specify the person dot name only be accessed within a class, but that method person dot can be accessed anywhere else. Okay, this is the
one is
final, I
private, one
think.
is public. No,
Okay, okay, okay. This
final
is
is constant.
sorry. Private function create pair x type x create long. Complete the generic x of type x type one. No, return x comma y string comma number create pair. I think this is string correct. Okay, type x. Create type
So
x.
generic type, similar to Java only. So first, after the method name, we define the generic types. Okay, and then
Ah,
the inside the bracket, those are like again parameters. What type of parameters you are going to pass? So this is return type.
okay,
It
okay.
is return type, and then you have the parameter inside the method or the method signature.
Interface person is number. Name. Define an object kind person from the person where all properties are optional. All properties are optional. Define an object kind person from person interface. Define first. I have to define an object. This is the one. Let kind
Find
person.
person, then person.
So from the person interface,
Hmm.
partial
Hmm.
partial person. Okay. This I don't know that partial. Okay.
Oh, so partial means it is saying optional, right? So
Ah.
if you define it as a person object, then you have to consider all the three parameters: age, first name, last name.
Ah.
But if you say partial, then it can take any one of those, which is optional.
Okay. Define a person kind person from the person interface where all properties are required. Okay, if it all properties are required, it will be like this only required.
Required person, partial person, and required person.
Okay. String number is equivalent to key comma string of key of string. So complete the sentence. String comma number is equivalent to string comma number is equivalent to key of
Key
string
string
comma
colon
number.
number. Yeah, I think, yeah, this is less than sign. I think so. Let's see.
Record.
Yeah, but it is a record. Yes.
So, but he didn't mention what to put. No, directly is adding this record.
But that is equivalent to that. You see, within curly brackets, you have key value pairs, right? That
Correct,
is
bhaiya. So,
equivalent to a record.
this correct.
If
Okay.
you say only less than, then it doesn't make sense because it is just a format which is
Uh,
used for typecasting
uh,
or generics basically. But if you say record, then it is becoming a type. That's
I
all.
think we are done. Mm.
So, do you want to whatever you have gone through? Do you
Ah,
want to practice it again and then give the test? Come down. There is a test quiz. Go back. Browser back. Browser back. Go back. You come down. No, no, back further. Back further. Back. No, it
okay.
is outside that exercises. Maybe you say open a new one, or else you have to do back for all history. Yes, come down in this ETS quiz. Yeah. So you want to practice that once again, or you want to try it?
I want to practice once again, bhaiya. I will get confidence. But you have anything you can
No, no.
start?
Let's
I'll
finish
back.
this. So
Ah,
we will. It will take just 10-15 minutes again.
no problem. No problem. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Practice it in 10-15 minutes, and then I'll be in the call only.
Okay.
Practice it
Okay.
yourself,
Sure.
and then let's try this.
Sure. 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 W3. What are the three main symbol types? Boolean number, object, array, object, symbol. Are we here only or not? Which
अब
type?
बाद में करेंगे तो आप कर नहीं पाएंगे, दूसरे काम में बिजी हो जाएंगे, इसीलिए
No, no, no. Definitely, definitely. No, that is
yeah.
correct only. What are the types of constant, full, string? Then type of assignment is this variable constant, full name, correct. String is equal to Dylon Israel. It is of type implicit. Typescript can always correctly infer a variable types. Yes. You can disable implicit variable types assignment by enabling the compiler. You can disable implicit variable type assignment, implicit variable type by enabling the compiler option. Implicit variable type assignment. Okay. So auto type assignment implicit equal to false. Not sure on this. It can by 1 minute by sorry. You can enable undefined and null types by 1 minute. Hello. Yes, sir. Correct, sir. So is it okay? Can we connect at 11, 12:30? 1 p.m. should be fine for us, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely, sir. Thank you, sir. So you can, sorry, boy. Yeah, you can enable undefined and null types to be accounted by enabling compiler property. Tick null check, strict check, no auto type. You can enable undefined and null types to be accounted for enabling compiler property. Dash is similar to any but safer alternative. But about the next. What is an inherited type of constant example diagram? What does read-only access modifier do for any variable? Constant code names read-only string makes you read it better than allows only adding but not allows no changes. There will be simple read. True or false types will always correctly infer the type of an array. A tuple and an array are same thing when discussing the types. False. What is successful example of number and string? Type aliases are mostly used with strings only. True or false interfaces are similar to type alias but only for object types. True or false? Interfaces are similar to type alias but only for true. An interface will have the same property as that interface. The same properties as that interface. There are two types of enums, string and number. And first value is defaulted to what? Key of can be used with index engines to extract the index type. Key of can be used for index. True or generics cannot be assigned default values.
हाँ ठीक है इधर है when you finish it, I'll be back in minutes.
Sure, भैया. Okay, going to this. Project whose goal is to make feedback on 1 classroom hostel with modifiers allow access to all members from anywhere. Modifiers allow when a class extends the and replaces the member of its parents, it is called.
17
I still lot of things I don't know. Okay, I will revise one more time. Bhaiya.
it is okay but I think yeah let's revise it once again at least
हाँ
90% we should score okay
हाँ.
and then we can proceed with the next item.
This I didn't fill actually. You can disable implicit or non-implicit any. Okay, this I don't know this type assignment. Question 5 can enable undefined by enabling compiler property strict null checks. Where should I declare these two things, Baya? Any idea? No implicit array. You can disable implicit variable assignment by enabling
No.
compiler option.
Let me read the question.
Ah,
You can disable implicit variable type assignment by enabling the compiler option. So it is a compiler option. So when you are in the compiler, like in Java, when you
ah,
compile something in command line, you put no
correct, correct.
hyphen something like that. So like that in the property files, also you can put the
Okay, we can enable
option
in property files,
in
is
the
it?
compiler level. You
Okay.
can enable.
You can enable undefined null checks by enabling the compiler property. This one also strict null checks. We can do that. I think this is the one. Typescript will always correctly infer the type of an array. Okay, it cannot be that. Numeric enum's first value is defaulted to what? 0. True or false protected modifiers only are allowed in the protected modifiers only are allowed in inherited class. Okay.
So what I suggest you is
Huh.
all the concepts. Now you know few things, you do not know things, right? And there
Huh.
will be certain things which will be like black and white kind of, like half
Huh.
you know, half
Correct.
you know.
Correct. Correct, Bhaiya.
So it take 1 hour of time, okay?
Huh.
And then go back to your tutorial. I'll tell you what you used to do. Okay?
Huh.
So these go in the top.
Huh.
No, I think you have to go back to the tutorial. हाँ. So इसमें what you do is you don't go inside, okay?
हाँ.
You just see होम के अंदर क्या है, इंट्रोडक्शन के अंदर क्या है, आप थोड़ा मेमोराइज करो
ठीक है.
कि आप एक बार स्क्रॉल करके देख लो द थिंग्स व्हिच यू अंडरस्टैंड और रिमेंबर.
हाँ.
गुड, इफ नो देन और एक बार देख के वो मेमोराइज कर लो
Okay.
एक एक
So.
करके. स्पेंड
हाँ.
2 minutes ईच ऑफ देम लिस्ट, ओके?
हाँ.
जो भी गैप्स है, जो भी
हाँ.
यू फॉरगॉट ऑलरेडी, यू
हाँ.
जस्ट सी दैट वंस एंड मेमोराइज करके जो
हाँ.
एक्सरसाइज है उसको भी एक बार रिवाइज कर लो और एक
हाँ.
बार टेस्ट दे दो, 100% आ जाएगा.
ठीक है. I will do that now.
एक्सरसाइज आप नहीं 1-2 घंटे में कर लो, ठीक है?
हाँ. हाँ.
Then what we are going to do is I will give you one slot. I'll be going out now.
हाँ.
Afternoon maybe 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock.
Should be fine because afternoon 4 to 5. After 2 o'clock, any time is fine. Totally, I am free only, Bhaiya.
Okay. So afternoon
I have
once I'm
some
back.
small demos now.
हाँ.
So till 1 o'clock, I have some this one actually.
Okay. Then
So
you do one thing. You do this exercise after 2 o'clock. Then once you are done, you ping me. Okay. Then
I am available anytime, but I will complete my thing and get
this
get the
because
score.
correct. Because if you leave it now, you will never come back and do it again. So
Correct, Bhaiya. No. I
you
don't
will
want.
finish it.
I don't want to wait. Yeah. Now itself only will complete. I will ping you back. You can message me when you are available.
Correct. And next plan will be to go to Next.js. Okay.
Sure,
Once
Bhaiya.
this is done, then we will start Next.js.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks, Bhaiya.
Okay. Take care.
Yeah.